Good afternoon, folks. Mike Wells, your World Explorer. Today is July the 1st, 2022, and we've had a pretty decently wet June. And what we're looking at here is like a mildly sweet variety of pomegranate. Now, there are a bunch of flowers that are being produced, and I wanted to show you this bunch over here. Now the key to getting fruit set out of these is to get some cross-pollination going between the different plants. Sometimes when you don't have a lot of pollinators present, you have to do that manually. So all you would need is a Q-tip. You'd take the Q-tip and you dabble it inside of one flower of one plant, right? And then you move it over to the inside of a flower of another plant, and then you go back to the first flower because the other plant's pollen will be on the Q-tip, and it'll go inside of the first plant's flower. And that's how you would do it. Am I going to do that today? Nah. I just wanted to let you folks know that that's how you can force pollination between flowers and plants of the pomegranate. But pomegranates, they love a lot of water. They're not getting a tremendous amount of nutrients in this location because the soil is mostly just sand. But going forward, I'm going to try some different things to try to enrich this soil at this location, because I don't really want to lose all the progress that I've generated with these pomegranate bushes. Folks, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe as to help the channel grow, and stay tuned as I'll keep you updated on the progress of these pomegranates. Have a great day.